tissue kay Ami. Uy, ba lang ito pinagtugaw yun? Sit properly.
Uy, manganta yun.
Ha?
Basta yun. Manganta yun.
Ada spoon na? Kaya naman, spoon taunig na?
Ada pa mag-disco na taunig naman.
Ada spoon? Oh, good. Ada spoon taunig na?
Panganta yun.
Palpasan tayo lagi speech ni Vice President for Academic Affairs sa kahit Agibunong. Ano dagyan, Chuma?
Wala, dinulong kamlatan ma.
Wala, ginulong kay Ami.
Kamlatan ma.
Wala, dinulong Ami.
Sige.
Anatan, tira ta ulo.
Digidin lang lagi, bakatin na nung walat na digidan tapos.
Uy, bakaton nila tantar da sumarno nga diawa.
Kada sumarano kaya awat.
Ma'am, pero gito mo na istabo.
Talo-talo lang na, da para alat ista, da para puno, da para bakat.
Ang chef kalatal. Ay, sige na to. Bantay 2 yan eh.
Bantay ka lang.
Hangkag sir ba?
Bilang katiwan ko.
Ma'am, pero
Hindi mo lang taunig. Pero gisa nyo dyan stab. At para alat stab kada mesa.
Uy, talo-talo ah.
Ito eh. Siguro katayin kami sa mga room. Go. Awal-awang pag nandita. Sige. Ay, sige. Kamisa. Oh, one ton, ma'am. One ton. Grabe.
Sabon to ba gid ami na. Sabon mo kat. Hello,
Vicente will want to deliver his inspirational message.
Yung
And
one
I
with
should like to
the stab beauty
emphasize,
snack.
he is the first and last Filipino scholar to receive scholarship grant from UNESCO Paris, France. Wow, that's the hard.
Be quiet, be quiet, be quiet.
Ladies and
Give
gentlemen,
respect. Give respect.
my colleagues from Data Center College,
Give respect.
in as
Be
much as I
quiet.
was invited
Be quiet.
without telling me,
Oh my
I was
God.
surprised because they invited someone who is ignorant in the use of the computer. So I spent 5 hours last night making a research so I could say something good for all of you. So if you can listen for at least 10 to 15 minutes, I would be very happy. Anyway, I'm your Vice President. Discipline dictates that when an older person is talking, the younger ones, lalong-lalo kung gwapo na katulad ninyo, they should listen.
Yes.
Okay ba?
Quiet.
I was not mistaken when I said Altin showed you a revolution. What kind of revolution did Altin show you? It was the revolution of the computer, okay? This is the third revolution that has happened in the world. What was the first revolution? Huh?
That's not
I will give one
Revolution.
paragraph. For the person who knows, what was the first revolution in the world?
18,
The first revolution that happened in the world was the
1300s?
agricultural
Agriculture.
revolution.
Oh, agricultural revolution.
The second was history dito yan nagkong. Industrial Revolution.
Industrial.
And the third, called the third wave in the book of Alvin Toffler, Future. The third wave is called the IT, Information Technology or Computer Revolution.
Palakpakan.
So let me begin. I would like to clarify kung sinabi ni Juan na I was the first and last. Tama yun. It was an experiment of the Asian Institute for Technology. There were 15 scholars from Southeast Asia and there were 15 from the Philippines who participated. They made a mistake in selecting me. I won the prize and it was dollars that came from UNESCO Paris. I nearly brought home a brand new car, either a Toyota, which was only 13,000 yen in 1970, and a Volkswagen, which was 9,500. But my wife told me, do not do that because she would put Papa in a compromising situation. Because we had an old car that was not in running condition, but in pushing condition. It was not power steering, but powis steering. Okay. What was the characteristic of the first revolution, the agricultural revolution? Man pitted himself against the awesome forces of nature. Ginagamit ng braso. And so what happened? When man got tired in his nomadic existence, do you know nomads, people going from one place to another? People, after using Lawag as a place, they would go to Bakara. After all the resources of Bakara are lost, they would go to Pasukin, etc. These are the nomadic people. Lalong-lalo makikita mo ito sa desert, from one fertile oasis to another. So, I had the privilege of looking at these people when I was abroad in Hawaii, and the gypsies are the people of the world that have been transferring from time, since time immemorial hanggang ngayon. Kawawa naman, there are the people that have always been traveling, a whole community of people going around, since time immemorial to the present, since the time of Christ to the present. Kawawa naman. So, the second revolution was the Industrial Revolution. Anong nangyari? There was the invention of machine, the most important of which was the invention of the wheel. But the most important revolution now is what you call, what your speakers are showing, information technology or computer. This is the third way. Now, how do you define information technology? I should not be telling this one, but I should at least tell you, lalong-lalo sa mga first year, IT revolution is defined as the preparation, the collection, the creation, the storage, access, and transformation of electric information in all forms, including your voice, nakikita mo yung nag-uusap, na computer at tao sa TV, graphics, which I know through animation, somebody will show you, text, ginagamit ng cellphone, video and images. All of this can increase work efficiency if you are in the office. It will improve productivity and ultimately to upgrade our standard of living as you go into the Robinson, ginaganyan mo lang, everything comes. Even the, can you imagine how they can add so many items na binili mo, worth 2,000, instead of the Chinese using the abacus or addition using your pencil and paper, ginaganyan lang, and the price is there. This is the effect of computer. In very simple terms, information technology, therefore, is restrictedly interpreted as the use of computers. And I'm very, very happy that in the Data Center College of the Philippines, It is one-on-one correspondence. Nearly every student who is studying there can use the computer. Your education at the Data Center College of the Philippines will equip you to be professionals in information technology. It is used as a process as well as a tool. The knowledges and the skills that you gain will allow you to work in any industry, banking, medical field, multimedia or entertainment, the internet, government, or any sector providing support. Remember that computer system is not computer per se, but these are productive tools for work in any field of expertise. That's why when Altin showed you paano yung mga destroyed computers, the first computers that I know are as large as the piano. Yes. Now you have the laptop. You have even the notebook, yung pinakamaliit. My children are using the laptop. My wife is still using the old one, and I used to use the Jurassic or the dinosaurian type of computer. Ganitong kalaki. That was the first time when I was in UP. Ako, kastawan ay panagsitsid ako because that was the first time that we saw the UP in computer as early as 1970, but it was so very big. Now, I have a nephew that works at Google. He graduated valedictorian in California, UCLA. He had been given a scholarship by Schwarzenegger. Now they wanted him to work in India, but I told him it's very dangerous to stay in India because that's a place where culture is very difficult to understand, because there are many Hindus or Indians who do not even kill the mosquitoes or the bedbugs because they believe that the spirits of people live in the bedbug. So if you kill the mosquito, you are killing the soul of another human being. You see? So he did not go to India, but he is in America. He's an engineer, and they are creating through the computer an automobile that can run as fast as 300 kilometers per hour. It's very dangerous, no? Through the use of the computer. Do you know that they are trying to communicate with God by using the computer? But, garbage in, garbage out. Kung ano ang i-input mo sa computer, yun ang lalabas. So if you want kalukuhan, you use the computer and you see the picture of a naked lady. Diba? Ginagamit ang computer. So they want to talk with Jesus Christ. But they should know that the language of Jesus Christ, alam niyo ba yung language ni Jesus Christ? It is not Hebrew, but for example, Filipino is the universal term, but the tribal term is Tagalog. So, if Hebrew was the language of Christ, what was the dialect of Jesus Christ in Nazareth? Aramaic. Aramaic. That is the language of Jesus Christ. So, you will hear the priest delivering the 7 last words. Eloi, Eloi, lama sabachthani. My God, why hast thou forsaken me? That's Aramaic.
Aramaic.
Is it? So that is how the computer has become so universalized that everybody, except Punwan, in this room, you all know how to operate a computer. I only know how to operate the most important part of it, and it is called a mouse. So my question when we went to visit a computer school with my graduate students, why did the people of the computer organization call it a mouse and not a cat, a lion, or a bird? Because the mouse is a detestable creature. You don't like to play with the mouse because it's dirty. Diba? Why? Let me ask you, bakit pinangalanan ang maliit na ganyan? Mouse, and not lion, and not dog or cat, or bantay as the case may be. Why? You are computer expert supposedly. Anybody who can answer that, I will give 100 pesos.
Go for it.
Why?
Yes. Stand.
Yeah.
Stand.
Crawl everywhere, sir.
Mr. Carabio, Mr. Carabio, Mr. Carabio is the handsome son of our librarian. So you can borrow any book through Mr. Garalde. And you can even bring home, even if it is not supposed to be brought home. So I will answer my own question. Bakit pinangalanan ng mouse or rat? And it is not beautiful. Why? Because the mouse is the only creature that can enter a hole smaller than itself. Do you get it? The mouth can stretch itself, at the same time can
Flex.
make itself small. And it is a wonderful animal. How I wish once in a while I can be able. Thank you for your kind but mischievous imagination. Do you know mischievous? A mischievous imagination, kalukuhan. And I like a person whose imagination is sometimes
Why?
foolish. Because these are the people who will be successful in life. Gawin po na ayaw, because the computer is considered the alter ego of man, substitute for man. Alter ego is a Latin word which means substitute for man. Some people swear that the ordinary classroom teacher without a knowledge of the technology has become irrelevant. Ang taong di marunong gumamit ng computer, anong mangyari? You are fit for the garbage. In the same manner na ang taong di marunong umibig sa kanyang salita ay higit sa hayop at malansang isda. Do you agree with that? A person that does not know his own language is fit to be an animal. The computer today is the greatest discovery of man since the invention of the wheel. I envy you because there will come a time when people who are ignorant of the computer will be as functionally literate as those who do not know writing and arithmetic. Which is why the DCCP has given that as a chance for you to have a working knowledge. What are the most valuable characteristics of the DTP students who are future entrepreneurs in the use of IT? I am very sorry I would not
nagkutkuti pa lang.
be placed in that my inspirational talk.
Hanggang pala kutkuti kat ma-catch the attention di kita kaigsa sa old president. Vice President.
In PowerPoint, they did not say that I will be a speaker. I only saw my name in the invitation. But you see how much I love you because I have to prepare. What will you say? You invited me and I'm not ready to say this. I told my wife, sweetheart, not tonight, please. Because I could not contact Almaden Domingo, my good friend, so that he could prepare a little inspiration from me about the computer. So, hindi ko na-contact si Almaden dito. So, I told my wife, may I research a little? So, not tonight, my love. So, what are the characteristics of an IT entrepreneur like you? Number one is curiosity.
Kwal kumakain
In solving an IT problem, there are always different approaches. But you got to be curious. Number two characteristic of a DCCP student, there should be perseverance. You should try to improve your skills, like mathematics, that is always black and white, and exact science. So you got to persevere in finding the solutions to any problem. Another is you have imagination. develop the culture of creativity and originality. Degree is not enough. Bakit? Are you happy with Bachelor of Science in Computer Science or Bachelor of Science in Information Technology graduate? You will find out, my dear students, that IT field is not only limited to computer graduates. There will be psychologists, educators, music graduates doing programming technologies. My daughter did not study computer. My youngest daughter self-studied the use of the computer. Yung mga malalaking computer pa, because my sister-in-law she used to work with Sisig Forest and Galayo, and she brought some computers from the Middle East in Hong Kong. Ginagamit ng anak ko ito until she self-developed and she was recruited at UP na nagturo because that was the government computer system. Now, what happened to my daughter, because she has developed the knack of creating some programs, nanalo sa examination, she is now assistant of Validation Development Bank of the Philippines. And she was sent to Chicago and Singapore for further studies. Yung mga anak ko, young. I have 3 girls, they are all single. I am looking for a future son-in-law. But they might go older than you are. They are beyond 30. Pero, kayong mga younger boys, if you select a woman who is 10 years or 20 years older than you, that young girl, that young woman will be your teacher. Maganda, di ba?
Menard.
That's why some people have to marry older people. They want to learn something which they don't.
Menard.
Unfortunately, my wife is younger. And some people I know are much younger, so I'm the one teaching them how to use the computer. Ayun naman eh. Okay. You have to be a team player. What is a team player? Each of you will have your own expertise in the team as you are expected to share your knowledge of the computer. Therefore, one expert among you will be in charge of the hardware. Hardware, that's the actual machine. Another will take care of the software. Another will be in charge of the network. Another one will take care of the training program, just as you are doing now in the seminar. Because in information technology, more often than not, you will find yourself working as a team. Ang nanay sa trabaho. In the same manner now that you are here together as a team. Okay.
Discipline, please.
Human beings like examples of winning teams. Do you remember the legendary Beatles? The Beatles, ano nang nagkaroon? Awanan, the Beatles, hindi na ang tandang. John Lennon and Paul McCartney wrote the lyrics of the song. George Harrison. If you are a basketball player, have you heard of Michael Jordan, of Kobe Bryant, of James Yap, na asawa ni Chris Aquino? They are all good basketball players. When I was in college, I was called the captain ball. I could shoot the ball without shooting at the ring.